Greetings from KKArtist Castle. This video will really help you for pencil shading. Yes, I've taken 4 grades. I've taken H, I've taken 3B, I've taken 6B and 10B. Just want to show you how you basically do the shading in tonal value grades. I've taken a rectangle. Ensure you hold pencil bit longer to give the initial first shading. I'm stressing once again, observe my pencil hold also, so that you will be able to understand. This is about the experience which I'm sharing you. So yes, and this I call it as light tone 1, LT1, which means you are using only one grade to give a basic coat, or you can say a basic tone, or you can say a first shading strokes. And if you observe, you hardly find lines in between. It's a shading where for every line to line you don't give any gap. If you do that, you don't find any line strokes. You will see the shading. I've used H, okay, entire box. Now I'm giving a grades to the second tone. So I'm using 3B now. So I'm not stressing hard. I'm only using a normal strokes holding pencil. Previously how I've used it, it is like that only. Then I'm shifting my pencil to 6B. Same strokes, same stress level. I'm not stressing too hard. Yes, I've done that. Great. This is 10B. So I'm shading with 10B. If you observe any drawing which has backgrounds or the skin tint or the texture is dark, you can even use that grade. But initially always go from light to left. 6B and 10B. Great. Now I'll be coming from bottom, which is 10B, giving a second coat. You can stress hard enough, but it is not required. You want your shading to be smart enough. You want your shading to be gradually evolving. Then you should go with light to dark. You can use 10B in light and give darker stroke. Observe that, yeah. So now I've shifted my pencil from, use 6B for second shading, tonal 2. So gradually you'll be able to see the darkness increasing in that grade. I'm not stressing too hard to get the darkness, because the initial coat is already there. If you apply second time, the darkness will default increase, which gives you an assessment saying that okay, so I need not get darks only by stressing hard of that same grade. So giving 3-4 times coat, you'll be getting a gradual natural darkness. That is what we require. If you have that control, if you have the understanding about the pencil, if you have understanding about that hold, how you're holding it, if you have the understanding towards the paper, then you will be able to draft so neatly, so smoothly. The blending will become so easily. Here I have not used any other stumps, or no, I have not used toddler, any other smudging methods. I'm simply giving a shading so that it's like natural process where you I want you people to understand this natural process. Don't jump directly into the shading techniques which has the tools and techniques which required to have that grades. Not at all, not at all required. Trust me. So initially when you
Now
go
I've
for
taken H for the second stroke.
see with the gradual growth, the flow of darkness has been slightly increased. So for H shading, you cannot go for darks. It's a lighter tonal H. Then 3B, 6B, 10B. Great. Now this video, this bit is on coloring. I've taken one color. I've taken brown, natural brown, and you will see a different shading stress levels in this color pencil. How we have used pencil, the same hold required to have tonal values. I'll try to create one more video on tonal values. If you understand the tonal values, your grip understanding of the shading will have a great understanding. This is light 2. So first box I've used only one coat, second box I used twice with the same color pencil. Now create third box. Yes. See, gradually I'm not rushing to create it. So left, right, left, right, equal pattern. You can increase the speed. Your condition is that you should not cross the box. Okay, this is one coat. Again I'll apply second time on the same thing. In this box I'll be using thrice, 3 times I'll use the same stroke, same stress level. I don't increase the stress. Now I'll go with fourth box which has 4 times shading. So it is not required, it is not mandate that you should do 4 times shading. But if you observe the stress of your pencil, then you will be able to directly connect to that shading. Second, third, fourth, 5 times. Okay. Same combination, I have created a square box to have the same pencil giving the grades to have the flow of tones. You will see light in first box, second it will be 2 times, third it will be 3 times shading, fourth it will be 4 times shading. And now what is that magic which will happen if you practice this one? If you practice, whenever you observe a drawing, you will be able to connect the tones which are already available in the drawing. And default your mind will pick up this boxes inside which is already practicing regularly. Then it will become so easy without your knowledge, without your somebody backing up. Defaultly the strokes will be your pencil will be handling based on your mind instructions and pick up that strokes. You will be able to grasp, understand the tones which are already available in the drawing, and you will be able to get exact shades which are already reflecting it. Few artists can understand and directly paint the same combination. How it happens? Because they have practiced lots and lots of these combinations. You can observe the same pencil getting darker but darker. Second time I'm using it here. Third time and fourth time. See, have you observed it?